up and you've got to do so much link building and stuff compared to the old days. Well, if that person's teaching you, pop them up, you'll make a ton of money. That's not the case. So we're going to be telling you exactly what we're doing, opening up the doors for our business, showing you some really good and really secrets and what we're doing. So it's just a matter of you guys now sucking in this information, getting focused, and not when you go home getting off on a tangent and doing something else. Like, oh, wow, that looks like a good idea. Oh, wait, that's a good idea. This is time to get serious about your business, and hopefully you're going to like what you see. You're going to be shown proof that it does work, and yeah, you're going to get focused and you're going to kick some butt. So that is our main goal in the next 3 days.
A lot to cover with you guys. We got some good stuff. I'm proud of this workshop. Very proud.
All right. And why don't we just take a quick 5-minute break if you need to get something to drink real quick and get coats on or whatever you want to do, and we will be back in just 5 minutes.